Let's go behind the barn door to meet these two sisters.
Hungry. See, here's the food coming. Everybody's so hungry. Hey guys, there's food over here. Okay, one found it. There's a still over there. What's that mess? One smart one. Wonder if they'll see this, boys and girls. You think they'll realize there's a food in this bowl? No, they're gonna fight over here about it. This guy, this is my little guy. There she is. Oh, there's somebody now. Here we go. Open your eyes, guys. There it is. Now we've got 3 little pigs here. 3 little pigs having more food. And a 4th one comes. Let's see if the others will wake up. I'm sure they're fighting over this one. Here comes the 5th one. Male piglet here. I think he's kind of like the boss guy. I want the white and brownish skin, not the spotted ones. After eating, they start getting sleepy, like this guy. Another little sleeper down here, some kind of sleepy. Lying down. Hi. Do you want to say hi to the boys and girls? Yes? How you guys doing? Looking pretty good and healthy. Hey! It's empty, boys and girls. They are hungry. Oh boy. Here's our 2 sisters, boys and girls. They'll one day have their babies, huh? You have babies! Yes, they kept you girls because they want you to have babies. What? What? What'd you say?
The two young sister pigs are 6 to 7 months old. They are being bred to have babies. After they have a litter of piglets, they are called sows. A sow can have 1 or 2 litters a year. A litter can be 8 to 12 piglets. Pigs are social animals, so you can keep 2 pigs together that get along well.